Hello students, how are you all? So we have completed chapter number 1 and 2. Now we have to solve our workbook. So let us begin. So the first chapter is matter and we are going to solve worksheet 1. Students, here I have taken some examples and rest of the question you have to solve it on your own. Okay, so let us see. You have to give reason for the following given statement. So the first one is, when mother puts water in a pan and heats it, steam is released. Okay, so whenever heat is provided to liquid, liquid will convert into gas. So our answer will be, because water gets heated and changes its state from liquid to gas. Okay, let us see the second example. Clothes dry up faster in summer season than in winter. Yes. So the answer will be, because the heat of the sun in summer converts water in the clothes to water vapor faster. In the summer, heat is there. In summer, we have more heat than in winter. So clothes dry faster in summer. Okay. Now the next one. So worksheet 2. Here some points are given and that you have to write down that whether these points are applicable for solids or liquids or gases. So first, the points which are related to solids. So number 1, they can be crushed into fine powders. Solids can be crushed into fine powders? Yes. Then their shape can be changed by applying pressure. So whenever you apply a pressure to a solid substance, it will change its shape. And then last one, they have a fixed shape. So solid have fixed shape. Okay. Now the second is liquids. So liquids, they can be poured. Yes, we are pouring, suppose milk. So we can pour milk from one glass to another. Then second point is, they can flow. Yes, water in the rivers are flowing. Then the third point is, they can take the shape of the container. Yes, if you are pouring milk from a circular container to the glass, it will take the shape of the glass. Okay, now gases. So gases, number 1, first point is, they do not have a fixed shape. So gases do not have any fixed shape. Second one, they can occupy all the space available. Yes, gases present all around us. So it can occupy as much space it has. And then they can expand a lot. Means they can increase their size a lot. Okay, now next. Okay, so now the third worksheet you have to solve it on your own. It is MCQ and it is very easy, so you can do it on your own. Now I am taking worksheet 4. So here a crossword puzzle is given and you have to solve it by answering the questions. Okay, so let us begin with down. The first one. In this process, gas changes into liquid on cooling. So whenever a gas changes into liquid on cooling, this process is known as condensation. Yes. So you have to write down condensation. Then second one is, they can easily flow and takes the shape of the container. What is it? Liquid. Yes. So we have to write down liquids. Now down is over. Now across we will take. Third number. The particles of this state of matter are tightly packed. So what will be the answer? Solids. Yes. Then Fourth one, liquid turns into solid upon cooling. This process is known as freezing. Very good. So in the fourth one, we have to write down freezing. The fifth one is, in this process, a solid substance changes into liquid. So when a solid will change into liquid? When it is melted. Yes, so our answer is melting. Okay. Now the second chapter. Your second chapter is reproduction in plants. Okay. I am directly taking worksheet number 2. Number 1 worksheet is again MCQ, and that you can solve it on your own. Okay, so what happens in worksheet number 2? Let us see. Let us read the question first. Bambu keeps a handful of rajma in a jar. He added water in the jar, enough to keep the rajmas wet. In the given space, draw what changes Bambu will observe in the rajma over a few days. So students, whenever we will put rajma in water, it will take in the water and it will swallow. Swallow means it will swell. The rajma will swell. So the size of the rajma will increase. It will absorb the water. Okay. So the diagram you can see of rajma before and after. So the size of the rajma increases. And the statement also you have to write down that the kidney beans would swell up because of soaking in water. Okay. Now on the next page another question is given that when this rajma beans, when they are swelled up, then the Bambu is keeping these seed into a wet cotton cloth. Okay, so now what will happen if the rajma beans are kept in a wet cotton cloth for some days? So see, you can see roots are coming out of the rajma seed. So you have to write down kidney beans will start growing roots. Okay. You have to draw the diagram and also write the statement. Okay. Now in worksheet 3, we again have to find out the words which are hidden in this box. So the name of the 7 different parts of a flower are hidden in the word game that we have to find out. So the first word is ovary. Yes. Then the second is petal. The third is style, ovules, stigma, anther, sepal, filament, nectar. Okay, so you just have to find out the parts of a flower. Okay. Now, okay students, now worksheet 4. So now here a table is given and we have to write down the name of the fruits with 1 seed, name of the fruits with 2 seeds means few seeds, and then we have to write down name of the fruits with many seeds. Okay, so in the table some fruits are given and we have to write according to that only. Okay, so fruits with 1 seed. Which fruits are having 1 seed? Mango, grapes, apricot and peach. Okay, then fruits with few seeds. They are apple and banana. And fruits with more seed are watermelon, muskmelon, orange, guava, lemon and pineapple. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Students, here you have to find out odd one out. And you have to give the reason also that why the following word is odd one out. Okay. Let us see the first one. Butterfly, bee, lotus and bird. Okay, so all other are birds, you can say, and lotus is a flower. Also, all the other three are pollinating agents, means they can take pollen grains from one flower to another, but lotus cannot. Now the second one is stigma, style, ovary, anther. So which is the odd one out? Anther. Yes. Why? Because anther is the male part of the flower. Now the third one. Animals, cotton, wind and water. Okay. So animals, wind and water are what? They are seed dispersal agents or methods. Okay. But cotton is not any method. Okay. So cotton is the odd one out. Now the fourth one. Orange, lemon, mango and papaya. So papaya is having many seeds. Okay. So the odd one out is papaya. Then muskmelon, watermelon, papaya and mango. So mango is having only one seed. So mango is the odd one out.